Okay, so what's the future of the delta? It's nearly bedtime now, you can relax. In the mid-90s to early 2000s, we've seen transition of the water now is coming down onto this side of the delta. This one is dying, the Ngoka is dying, and the water is progressively flowing down into the Bora system. And now it's starting to come down into the Kuru, so we're going to see Big Lake and Ngami at the same time. Of course, we're in the up in the 20-year rainfall cycle, the 80-year cycle rather, 40 years. So the next 20 years are going to be pretty good. So we're going to have Lake and Ngami full, and it's going to be very nice. And the water's basically going to come down here. And this constant shifting of the water is what keeps the delta so smooth. That's why it's such a smooth delta, because it distributes the sediment evenly. So that's what's going to happen in the short term. Next slide. In the medium term, the other possibilities are that this Linyanti fault could maybe extend through into the delta and possibly cause the flow of the Okavango to go along the Linyanti and then into the Zambezi. So we might lose the Okavango there near the top end of the delta. Well, the other possibility is that this fault here, which is the Chobe fault, could be active and it might divert the whole of the Zambezi into this part, so it could fill up Magadi Gadi, turn down into an island. That's another possibility could happen. That would be quite nice. Well, those are the sort of mid-term scenarios, and the long-term scenario, next slide, is shown by this, also the shuttle radar topography. This is the Vic Falls, there's the Matoka Gorge, there's Vic Falls, and here you can see the Zambezi River. And basically what's happening is the Vic Falls is busy eating its way back through rock here, and when it crosses this point, it's bye-bye to the Okavango, because this is all soft sediment here that's filled that depression. And once this cleft, which is Vic Falls, hits that edge, all that sediment is going to get flushed out, and all the rivers are going to go down through the Matoka Gorge, which will then be a very long thing, and down the Zambezi. And that'll be the final end to this, and the final step in the evolution of the river system, where the Okavango becomes a tributary of the Zambezi. And that's going to happen in about, it depends, Andy's estimate, Andy Moore's estimate of erosion rates will probably take about nearly 1 million years, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, so next slide.